Here's the battery that came out of the 6000 from 2017. We bought it last year. It's totally dead, but I'm not sure. It might take a charge. So out with the old and with the new. My dad said when he started it up, he said it took several times because it's been sitting a while. There's my Husky gas. Put the battery in the back. And then we're all set to fire this thing up after the beggar battery's in there. It's dirty because of all the dirtiness underneath it. So this thing hasn't been started since I don't even know when my dad started it. When did you start it, Dad?
Yesterday.
I think the keys are inside of it. Yep, they are. I'm gonna unlock that door real quick because the passenger door's locked. There it is. 162,000 miles. We're going to drive this thing to the shop my dad is. You going to put some more gas in it, Dad, when we get closer? Is it ready to fire up?
Yep, fire up.
Alright. I'm going to give it some pumpage first. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I don't even have to... It's not even on high throttle mode right now. Oh yeah, it sounds sweet. At least it doesn't run bad like it last time did. It sounds cool, actually. Hazards right here. This thing runs great. There's the gas gauge. Can you hear how good it's running?
How much fuel's in it?
It's actually, yeah. I need to move it sometimes. I parked my Husky in the golf cart right there, so. Now it's in high idle mode. I'm gonna leave it in there. It usually does that. Now it's running. Why is it doing that? There's the keys. No wiper. Definitely sounds cool.